See a man, see a tree, eyes open, open see. Roaring tiger you will see, Marble Mountain climb and see. Chanderi famous for sari, Bandhavgarh for greenery. See the royal Mandu mansion, see jungle go into action. Look cheetah, look bison, look swamp deer, look peacock, look take a closer look at Shiv Puri. See silver train go chuk chuk chuk, look. See holy men of Ujjain and some who are not yet men. The Buddha and his wisdom, the Indo-Royal kingdom. Check out the Gita and the Quran and then go and eat a pan. Khajuraho eroticity, Bhimbetka has graffiti. Prehistoric university, don't shut your eyes and see. It will open your eyes, you see. Panchmadi, the queen of hills, Bhopal capital full of thrills. Take a dip in Bhopal lake, so cold you will shake. Don't stop at the start of India. Welcome to the heart of India.
Come prepared to Madhya Pradesh.